Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to find the Hot Cave Basecamp in Subnautica 2. If you're looking for something located in the Hot Cave Basecamp, finding it isn't too difficult. Just make sure you've already acquired the heat tolerance adaptation first, since you'll need it to safely explore the area. To get there, start from your life pod and head southeast. Swim straight past the Welcome Center, then continue beyond these two tall pillars and this larger rock pillar. Keep going until you reach another tall pillar and notice the surrounding water temperature starting to rise. Once you reach that area, go to the cliff beside the tall pillar and position yourself near its edge. From there, swim straight down to the seafloor and look for this large opening. Enter the cavern and continue descending deeper into the abyss. As you make your way down, you'll eventually spot a man-made structure. That's the Hot Cave Basecamp. You can now explore the area and search for whatever items, blueprints, or points of interest you came there for. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the next side quest.